Just as established products and brands need updating to stay alive and vibrant, you periodically need to refresh or reinvent yourself. Mire Giuliano. Not happy with how things are going at work, in your career, or life in general? Feeling bored or stuck in a routine? If what used to work for you isn't working anymore, it might be time to make a change. We all need some change every now and then to bring new energy to our work and careers. For some, it's not just about getting better, they want a completely fresh start and aim to reinvent themselves. The positive news is that you can always create a future that's different from your current situation. Here are 5 simple steps to help you reinvent yourself. Dream big. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. This quote by C.S. Lewis means that no matter how old you are, you can still decide on new things you want to achieve or dream about different possibilities. It's a reminder that age shouldn't limit your ability to set new goals or have fresh dreams. Follow your passion. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Steve Jobs. This quote from Steve Jobs is saying that since your job takes up a big part of your life, the only way to be really happy is to do work that you think is great. So, if you enjoy and believe in what you do, you'll find true satisfaction in your work. Embrace change. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou's quote means that if there's something you don't like and you have the power to change it, go ahead and make that change. However, if you can't change the situation, then change the way you think about it. Adjust your attitude and find a positive perspective despite the circumstances. Keep moving forward. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein's quote compares life to riding a bicycle, suggesting that, similar to how you need to keep moving to stay balanced on a bike, in life, you must keep progressing or moving forward to maintain your balance. It emphasizes the importance of continuous movement and progress in navigating life successfully. Make positive habits. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Aristotle. Aristotle's quote means that who we are is shaped by the things we do regularly. If we make good actions a habit, then excellence becomes a part of our daily lives. It suggests that being excellent is not just about doing something great once, it's about making positive actions a consistent part of our routine. Remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Your life is a canvas, and you hold the brush. Embrace change, take charge of your destiny, and keep reinventing yourself. As Simone de Beauvoir said, change your life today. Don't gamble on the future, act now, without delay. In this simple message, de Beauvoir tells us to make good changes in our lives right away. She says not to leave our future to luck but to take strong action now. The quote makes us feel powerful, reminding us that we can control our lives, and it's time to do something about it. It's like a reminder to wake up and realize that we can shape our own future. Instead of waiting and hoping, she tells us to act now, without waiting. It's about taking control and making those good changes that will bring us to a better future. It's never too late to be what you might have been. George Eliot. George Eliot's quote is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to pursue our true potential and become the person we've always dreamed of being. It's like an invitation to embrace our aspirations and take action, no matter our age or circumstances. Remember, it's never too late to create the life you've always imagined. Whether it's dreaming big, following your passion, embracing change, moving forward, or forming positive habits, the power to shape your future is in your hands. Take action now, without delay, and recognize that it's never too late to create the life you've imagined. Embrace change, take charge of your destiny, and keep reinventing yourself for a fulfilling and dynamic journey ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this quest for wisdom and self-mastery.